Hi, thanks for visiting us today at Sanctuary Soil and Feeds Information Series. Today we're going to talk about Buckaroo brand worm castings. Worm castings are becoming more and more desired for agriculture in both commercial and residential and market farming. People are really starting to get that biology in the soil is really the key to nutritious and viable plants, vegetables, and fruits. We're really proud of our worm castings here, and we actually provide these to many other companies that use them in their various bagged products. What really sets our castings apart is the feedstocks, how we take care of our worms. These worms are actually fed strictly woody biomass, grasses, arborist ground materials. We feed them organic alfalfa meal, and then they get a once-a-week bath in biological tea. And by our process, we're able to really increase the biological activity of the worms and the soil. By having the minerals that we amend the soils with pass through the worms, they become much more readily available to the plant. A lot of castings that you see out there are not as fine as our Buckaroo castings. Sometimes you see little round balls, and people ask us, why are yours so fine? Well, we actually screen these to an 1/8 of an inch to catch the casings, which are baby worm eggs, which we re-inoculate our fields with. The other thing is the round little balls and castings that you see tend to come from grain feed. Grain is great, and we actually give ours some alfalfa meal, but if you use just grains, which in many cases a lot of castings have, you really lose the biology that's necessary for plant growth. Remember, your plants aren't eating bread. Your plants are eating woody biomass, broken down material from trees, grasses, and branches. So what we're trying to do is mimic the environment of nature, yet amend with those missing minerals in the soil, as well as the biological tea to keep that activity very high. Again, Buckaroo worm castings, they're available throughout California, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico, Washington, and Oregon now, and also in Whole Foods in Northern California. So if you're looking for the highest quality worm castings to amend either your soil, your turf, flowers, vegetable gardens, look for Buckaroo brand castings. You can't do any better. Thanks for joining us today, Sanctuary Soil and Feeds Information Series. Have a great day.